Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to make an announcement that as you're seeing this video right now at this moment, Cletus and Cars has already passed. The event already passed. We already ripped the demo car and everything has already happened. So I just want to give you guys an update on why this is the case. So last week obviously was the week we go to Houston and go to Cletus Cars and actually compete the demo car for Saturday, but not only we had to go to Houston, but we also had to go to San Antonio for a work event that I had to do. So we had to cram two events, two trips into one, and that was very, very limiting on time when it came to editing and just no extra time at all. And I don't want to make excuses or anything, but these past 3 weeks have been very, very difficult to make this happen financially. As you guys probably know, there was a GoFundMe that happened for the past 2 months, and that was all for this event. We had to do that to make sure that we could get the demo car down in Houston safely and ready to rip, because obviously the thing isn't legal. We had to trailer it, and as we speak of that, I wanted to give a shout out to everybody. Thank you guys so much that have donated to the GoFundMe. Y'all definitely made a difference. Even though we didn't reach our goal, it's okay. Okay, it's all right. We actually used whatever money that we got for something that we actually needed. So thank you guys again. Also, thank y'all to people who shared the GoFundMe, to your friends and family. I mean, hey, it's better than nothing. So I really do appreciate it, me and my crew. And we definitely got someone else out this year. We got more people on board, and also because of that, thank you guys so much. Big thanks to the people who helped build the demo car, the guy who let us keep it at his house or whatnot. It all worked out. It all worked out and we made it happen. So with that being said, the next 4 or 5 videos is going to be the Demolition Series number 2 in the first project series of the year of 2020. So hope you guys are ready for the ride. Once again, I apologize for the lack of uploads, but because of this, we will be able to make all the vids back to back. Like I said, there should be like 4 or 5 of them. What you will be seeing in today's video will be us actually picking up the car and taking it to the place that we're actually going to be working on it. I mean, this was about 3 weeks ago, but as I said, I deeply apologize for this, but trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be some good stuff. Hope you guys are ready for the series, and here we are of season 2 of our demolition car, the Zombie Killer 2.0.
You good? Stop! Parking in front. Hey, stop, stop. Yeah, you're good right here. It's like, give me the shot, man.
I tried taking the car to Jeff's house, and apparently under legal reasons, we could not park it there, so.
I almost fell.
What?
I almost fell.
This is basically my first manual car purchase. I haven't driven a manual car for 3.5 years. It's been insane.
Yeah?
Wish I knew how to work the dolly to get it off.
What do you think?
I thought it was shoes, but that's a different story. I don't know who to go to.
For shoes. Shut up. You literally just told her to shut up though.
Because that's my dog.
Back it up. You're good. You're good. You're good. There you go. It's gonna get crashed anyway. Yeah? Huh?
You've seen them before. Shut up. I saw it once, okay? It's better than I anticipated. I thought I was gonna like die.
Cool.
How many times I've looked at this tailgate now?
Cool. You probably gotta hit that, huh? Open the tailgate again.
It's a wrap. We got the car. And we have a place. Definitely shout out to him if he's watching this right now. So, I don't know what his Instagram is or whatever. So, but, yeah. Stay tuned for part 1 of the install. First, we're gonna be doing exhaust. And I have tools now to finally get it off, so we ain't leaving no cats on this time. It's gonna be straight headers. Sorry I didn't get to do a proper intro. We're running all over the place today. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.